Hi everybody, Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey to show you the 2026 320 Sundancer outboard. This boat is equipped with twin 400s from Mercury. We have SeaDeck on the swim platform, and that runs all the way up through the bow. I'll let Kate step on the boat. This is the dune interior. Nice wraparound L-shaped seating here. Filler cushion in the cockpit. Underneath is a beautiful teak table that will raise up. On the starboard side here, we have grill, sink, receptacles, fridge, and a trash can. Rear facing seating. This seat will flip-flop back and forth and locks in position. Moving up to the helm, twin 12-inch Simrads, Fusion stereo. We have beautiful lighting on right now. Trim tab setup, and of course, the Mercury joystick with skyhook. I'll let Kate make her way up to the bow first. Port side walkthrough with 3 forward-facing loungers, armrests and headrests for all seated. All the way up on the bow, we have spotlight and a windlass. Let's go into the cabin. In the forward, we have a V-berth setup. This will come up for a table if you wanted to dine down below. You do have port windows and a forward TV. Looking aft, beautiful teak steps, twin bed setup that will come together to form a queen or so. Here's our head, spacious, able to stand down in there. Wet head with shower. And then finally down below you have your second fridge and a microwave. So again, this is Frank and Teskey with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. You just saw the 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Thank you for your time.